We're in Ajlun, no, castle. So just a brief background of this castle. This was used to be a military garrison, no, during the old times, used as a military garrison by the state and some local boards in the district. So because this castle is strategically located, used as a supply center, provisioning military supplies, and as a location for pigeon post. Na yung dating panahon, padala ka ng kalapate. So this is where we are, no? This is overlooking ano to? Anong city to? So hirap nga pasukin talaga to. Yeah. To enter this, tingnan mo. Aakyat ka talaga. Magandang area dito, no, because simulang reforestation nila, no. Yan. Uy, baka merong mga silk na kwan dito. Ano? Teka, naka-video ako si Ajlun Castle. Today is our second day in Jordan because we arrived yesterday, and this is the second tourism site that we have visited. Kanina yung ano to sa Jerash, no? Jerash, built by during the time of the Roman Empire. So this castle is strategically located on high elevation. No, panahon ng Ottomans daw, this used to be a defensive fortress. Di basta-basta, no? Mapasok to. Okay. So they have mga tiyangge-tiyangge dito, no? Here, and of course, the picture of the king and his successor, no, son. Here.